What's going on, Power Squad? Willpower here on this beautiful Monday morning in ATL, 40 degrees, cold as fuck. Not a fan of the cold. And today we are at a place that I believe is very underrated, and that is iKeA. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of what we got going on in iKeA that we can use for those RehaB flips. Stay tuned. Where's Waldo? My favorite kitchen cabinet door definitely has to be these gloss ones. White. Let me see what other colors. This one's nice. The gray is nice. These right here, these three right here are nice. Black one is nice. I love the glass or the frosted glass on the doors to the kitchen cabinets. Nice little touch. iKeA has some nice kitchen faucet at a very competitive price. Nice LED mirrors. I don't know what happened here at iKeA, but they used to have some nicer and like a variety, like 2 or 3 different to select from for these LED mirrors for the bathrooms. I don't know what happened. These don't look as high quality as the ones they used to have. We got bathroom sink bowls, and we got some bathroom faucets right here. Great selection. Oh, and we got some shower heads as well. Great selection, competitive price. Keyword, competitive price for those flips. They also got vanities. Oh, floating vanities. All right. Not that much of a selection though. Nice little detail I just came across. Artificial green wall. These tabletops here, you can use them to get creative. These slabs, you can get creative with that. Accent wall. If you need blinds, iKeA also has nice blinds. I don't know on price how competitive they are, but they got blinds. Here's a nice little idea I picked up in iKeA. I can use this for house numbers. Who's your contractor? iKeA also has some nice shelves here. You can use in the kitchen, closets, any space you need. Shelves at. This is nice to put inside a pantry. One of these boards will be nice by the entrance, by the foyer. Nice little touch. So one of the areas that I think iKeA is very underestimated on is on their lightings. They got very cool, unique lighting and at very competitive pricing. So take a second look at iKeA for your finishes. As you guys can see back here behind me as I walk through the light aisles. iKeA has some cool mirrors, 180 bucks. You want to get creative with the mirrors you use in your bathroom. Be a little different, make them pop. They also have a nice selection of artificial plants as well as live plants. They're pretty cool for decorating, staging. So that's something to look into. So there you have it, Power Squad. Some of the things that you can find for your RehaB flips here at iKeA. So on your next flip, make a little stop at iKeA and see what they got. Willpower. Don't hire help. Build a team. Build a dream.
That's all, folks. Reach for the stars.
All right, what's going on, Power Squad? Willpower.